Tired of uneven grass edges ruining your lawn's look? In this video, we'll show you the best grass shears that deliver clean cuts and effortless trimming. Stick around to find your perfect match, and don't forget to like the video and follow us for more top product picks every day. Number 1. Spear & Jackson 4867 RS Lawn Shears. When there's a lot of trimming to be done, using handheld grass shears can be back-breaking work. Fortunately, this pair from Spear & Jackson offers a 36-inch handle, making it ideal for trimming in areas a mower can't reach without having to kneel on the ground. During testing, the razor-sharp blades of these long-handled grass shears easily cut through grass, thick weeds, and even some dead perennial stems without issue. They opened and closed easily, and were one of our favorite pairs for trimming around trees and flower beds. The longer 9-inch blade can cut a large swath of grass in one chop, and there are not many weeds that the blades can't snip through. The biggest drawback is that since these shears are a little heavier than the handheld options, they can cause arm fatigue if used for a prolonged period. The blades are also very sharp, making it important to keep them out of reach of children and pets. Number 2. WorkPro Cordless Grass Shears and Trimmer. Manual grass shears allow for precision work and keep grass looking green and healthy, but battery-powered grass shears are handy tools for those with hand dexterity issues or a lot of area to cut. These cordless grass shears from WorkPro come with 2 interchangeable blades, one for trimming grass and another for trimming hedges. After charging the battery with the supplied charger, we tested the grass shear blade. It quickly cut through grass and weeds without issue. We then tested the hedge trimmer blade. Unfortunately, it didn't work quite as well. We used it to chop through weeds, bushes, and dead woody perennial stems. While it ultimately cut through these items, it got snagged often, and we had to pull on it continually to release the caught-up debris. Overall, we'd recommend these electric grass shears from WorkPro. They offer fast and easy trimming. However, they underwhelmed as hedging shears even when the appropriate blade was attached. Number 3. Kings County Tools Grass Trimming Shears. Some grasses are tougher than others, requiring stronger shears. For stubborn coarse grasses, leaves, and stems, use these swivel blade shears from Kings County Tools. The blades rotate either 45 or 90 degrees, giving more options for trimming than a fixed blade, but less flexibility than shears with a 360-degree rotation. What it lacks in angles, however, this tool makes up for in strength. The power spring helps make cutting down unruly stems a more efficient process, reducing trimming time. By sharpening the 5.25-inch black steel blades once a season, the user can ensure these shears perform wonderfully for many years. Question: we tested the Kings County Tools grass shears on a mix of tall fescue, clover, and Bermuda grass. Where some of the lightweight tools became bogged down with sappy plant debris, these shears continued cutting undeterred. They are heavier than some of the others, but well-balanced with a rise in the handles and smooth cutting action. Number 4. Jardinier Handheld Grass Shears. Those looking for grass shears that are comfortable in hand may want to check out this pair from Jardinier. Featuring a metal handle with a non-slip coating, these lightweight shears are easy to squeeze and come with a pair of gardening gloves for added comfort. We found these grass shears to have a smooth cutting action. We use them to trim down large patches of grass and to tidy up the edges around trees and landscaping in our front yard. They're not recommended for use on twigs or branches, so we kept their use strictly to grass and grassy weeds, both of which they cleanly clipped. After we were finished cutting, we secured the blades with the built-in safety lock before storing them. These shears weigh about a pound, which is a little more than some of the comparable options on our list. Still, we found them to be lightweight even after about 30 minutes of on and off trimming around the yard. Number 5. Fiskars 36-inch long-handle rotating grass shears. These long-handle shears from Fiskars are kind to backs and knees, enabling users to stand instead of crouch, bend, or kneel when trimming the grass. The 36-inch aluminum shaft gives users easy access to overgrown areas, eliminating the aches and pains that may come with bending and kneeling. A swivel blade head moves 360 degrees for trimming at the best angle for the job. With the 4.5-inch precision ground steel blades, these shears can make meticulous snips. Unlike some models, this blade cuts clean to the tip, reducing the need to clip the same area repeatedly. Since these blades are so sharp, it's important to use the locking mechanism for safety to avoid any accidents. Our big question when testing the Fiskars long-handle grass shears was how the added linkages inside the handle would affect performance. We are happy to report that their performance is only nominally less responsive than our top pick, the Fiskars Swivel Soft Touch Grass Shear.